Hi gang, it's the Reluctant Chef. Today we are using our Deluxe Cooking Blender and we're not making a smoothie. We're gonna make some powdered sugar. Have you ever started baking and you're like, oh, I need powdered sugar for cream cheese frosting, and then you're like, I don't have any. So no fear, just stick it in your Deluxe Cooking Blender. We have a grind setting on here that you can grind coffee, you can grind chunks of Parmesan cheese, you can grind your own flour, and you can make your own powdered sugar. So literally put a couple cups of sugar in here, depends how much you need. Turn the button on the side, turn it to the grind setting, and just push the center button and say start. It's gonna fluff it up. And why do you use powdered sugar? Because when you're making whipped cream, it'll make it so that it'll stay light and fluffy and it won't separate. So, fast and easy, we're all done. Matter of seconds. Why pay extra when you can make your own, right? So, tell me, what would you make in your Deluxe Cooking Blender? Would you make an alternative milk like almond milk or coconut milk or rice milk? Would you grind something in it like peanut butter, which you've seen me do 1,000 times, or almond butter? Would you do a soup? Would you do a sauce like a hollandaise sauce or a marinara sauce? Would you make it jellies and jams? Tell me, message me, let me know, comment below. Thanks for watching.